Hey, okay, that's enough of that. That's enough. Okay, but hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Femi, and today I want to tell you guys a story. But I mean, that's not the real reason why I'm making this video, but I want to start off by telling a story. So I remember in one of my videos I talked to you guys about how you could save up money by cutting your own hair. Well, I tried to do that again. One day I was rushing to work and I realized, oh man, my line looks messed up. Let me try to fix this. So grab my clippers, you know, started cutting, and then I got to my line, got to the part where I was supposed to line up my hair, and I went too far back and I messed up my hair. So that has been the reason why I've not been able to post for Instagram for almost like a whole week, or you know, almost like 2 weeks or so. It's probably a month now, but I've not posted on Instagram for so long, and I want to apologize about that. That is really my fault. I was just rushing that day, and I went too far back and messed up my hair. But that's not the reason why I recorded this video. Today's video, I want to talk to you guys how you could clean up your beard without having to get a whole haircut, without having to go to a barber to pay for a haircut. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, so as you can see, I am not looking my best right now. You can see my beard. You can see that it's getting patchy. I mean, my beard is already patchy, but I mean, the way I've been taking care of my beard, you wouldn't know that my beard is patchy. But right now that I haven't gotten a haircut in almost like a whole month, everybody knows that my beard is patchy. So if you stay all the way to the end of this video, I promise you guys, you'll be surprised, because I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix your patchy beard, and how you can also make your beard grow out. Well, I mean, I've not tested it, but I'm gonna hook y'all up. To be honest, this is gonna be one of the videos I actually didn't plan for. I actually didn't plan on making this video, but I was just laying in bed today, and I realized since I can't post on Instagram, I could be able to do stuff for YouTube, like make videos for YouTube and stuff. So I decided to make this video. So in this video, I want to show you guys how you could take care of your beard and make it look clean and look Well, like I said, I didn't actually prepare for this video. This is so random, so I hope you guys bear with me. But today, I want to show you guys how you could clean all of this, because I know you guys could see this. I look terrible right now, and that's just because I have not been to a barber in so long. But I want to show you guys how you can fix that yourself. Well, the first thing you're going to need is a clipper. Now I have two clippers, and one of them I actually use this to cut, and this I use it to line up my hair. It's I think it's I don't even know what it's called, but I'm gonna put the link for these two clippers down below, so you guys can go check it out, and you could just buy yours, and you wouldn't have to go see a barber to actually clean your beard up. Okay, well the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this clipper to actually cut my hair, or cut the hair on my neck and reduce the hair on my beard. But be careful, guys. If you don't want to cut your beard all the way off, you need a guard for that. So don't forget to put a guard on your clipper. So let's start. Oh, actually, before you start, you also need a mirror. So I got my mirror right here, so I think you should go grab yours as well. So let's start right now. Okay, while I was cutting, I realized I didn't take a picture. So I'm gonna take a picture real quick, and I'll show you guys how it looked like before and after, just in case if you can't see it. So give me a quick second. Let me take a quick photo real quick. So this is how it looked like before. And I'm gonna show you guys a picture of, you know, how I look like later. But let's get back into the cutting. You know what I'm saying. Okay, so now me personally, I have actually only cut this down a couple times, but today's not gonna be one of them days, okay? So I'm just gonna trim this down a little bit. Basically, I'm gonna just clean all this up, and I'm gonna try not to cut any of this, okay? So keep watching. Okay, so now that I've already trimmed it down a little bit, all I just have to do is get rid of the hair under my neck, and by using this clipper, which basically lines it up, but it also cuts my hair off at the same time. I don't know if you guys get that, but keep watching though. I wish I could just leave this like this, but I can't, sorry. Oh, somebody's calling me. Who is that? Oh, somebody. Give me a quick second, guys. I'm gonna go clean this up. So I know you guys could probably see the difference about now, and I think the next thing I'll just have to do is just line up my face now, okay? Now for this part I'm kind of nervous, but I just hope I get it right again this time. Guys, man, I'm telling you, that was so intense. That was really intense, because I cannot forget what I did to my hair. So now that I've already cut my beard down, trimmed it down, and lined it up, the next thing that you guys, or that I personally always do, is I exfoliate my beard and everything. I just basically wash it up to make sure it's clean and it smells good. And the product that I personally always use is the Purifying Beard Scrub from House 99. I'm not sure if you guys could see it, but I use this, and trust me guys, if you have a girlfriend or you have any lady friend, after you use this to wash your face, man, or to wash your beard, trust me, you are going to be getting compliments on how good your beard smells, and I could vouch for that. Like, I'm telling you guys, like, this smells so good, and I know it also exfoliates my skin, because my beard always feels good whenever I'm done washing my beard with this. Now, the next thing I do after washing my beard is I actually apply a hair balm to my beard. To be honest, this is a very, very great product. Like, I have used this so many times, like even when I haven't washed my beard, or when my beard was looking so rough and I was looking like bad. Like, this right here is a lifesaver. And I don't know why people keep texting me, but this right here from House 99, this is so, like, I would recommend any of you guys to use it, because not only that it smells good, but it also makes your beard soft for so long. And I have actually not found a product, oops, I almost dropped it, but I haven't found a product that is as good as this product yet. But for now, I'm gonna just stick to this until I find another product that can actually make my beard soft. Well, you guys have already seen the before of how I look like. Now I'm about to show you guys how I look like after. Yeah, I just basically saved myself some money, and of course I didn't have to go see a barber to be able to clean myself up. And I think this should be one thing that you guys should know how to do. You should know how to groom yourself, and you should know how to take care of yourself. And if you actually stick to the end of this video, hey, I promised you one thing. I was gonna hook y'all up with something that was actually gonna, you know, help you guys take care of your patchy beard or help your beard grow. So I have been watching videos on YouTube, and of course I found a product, and it's called MINOXIDIL. This product is going to help your hair grow faster, or actually it's going to help your beard grow. And this is a 6-month supply right here. I have about 6 bottles in here. This is how one bottle looks like. So basically how you use this is just you apply it to your beard in the morning and at night. And I actually haven't really found any bad reviews about MINOXIDIL, but the one bad thing I know I could tell you guys that almost everybody talked about was that MINOXIDIL is gonna make your beard feel dry, and it's gonna be really, really itchy. So I would encourage you guys to go, you know, get a whatever oil you want to use to moisturize your beard, or whatever oil you use to basically moisturize your hair. You can use it for your beard. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's video, guys. By now you should have subscribed, you know, because you just got to the end of the video. Well, today is the first day of August, and I will be showing you guys results of this product in probably a month or 2. I'm not gonna touch my beard anymore from now on. All I'm just gonna do is probably just line it up, but I'm not gonna cut it down. I'm not gonna do anything else to it, but just line it up. And I'll be showing you guys, you know, the results in about a month or 2. But yeah, you guys should have subscribed by now, man. I shouldn't be telling you guys by now, because I just hooked you up with something that could help your beard grow. But that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please, I encourage you to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and share with your friends. And of course, if you have any other tips that you want to, you know, give to me or share for everybody else, please be sure to drop your comments down below. And I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Have a great day.